Hey there! So today I'll be showing you some insane Android tips, tricks, and secrets you wish you knew sooner, packing up from good to amazing Android tricks. So let's begin. Nobody likes those interrupting ads every now and then that interrupts you during your session. And if you want to get rid of them without any app, all you have to do is go to your settings and then select wireless and networks, then look for a setting that reads private DNS, then select it. And then in this option that reads configure private DNS, type in dns.adguard.com, then hit save. And just as simple as that, you can block any ads on your smartphone. Try this out, works like a charm. Well, if you like someone's status on WhatsApp and want to get it without you having to ask them to send it to you, then all you have to do is go to your file manager and then go to settings and then look for this setting that says show hidden files, then turn it on. Then after doing that, go to storage in your file manager, then look for a file that reads WhatsApp and then tap on it. Then look for a file that reads media, then tap on it, and then click the file that reads statuses. Then here you can select the status you want to save and then just copy it and then paste it into your internal storage, and simple as that, you can download any WhatsApp status. Android lets you hide any file without any app. All you have to do is go to your file manager and then select the files or media that you want to hide, and then move them to a new folder and then name the folder starting with a dot, then the name of your folder, and be sure to add a dot in order to make it a hidden folder. And if you want to access back your hidden file, all you have to do is go to your file manager settings, then look for this setting that reads show hidden files, then activate it, and then go back to your internal storage and then select your hidden folder and then move your hidden file back to your internal storage. If you hate the fact that you hand over your smartphone to someone and they go through other apps than the intended one and pass through your personal stuff without your permission, well, you can stop this by going to settings, then select on privacy and security, then look for a setting that reads screen pinning, then activate it, and now you can just go to your recent screen and then tap on this pin icon, and just as simple as that, no one can access any other app than the pinned app without a password. If you like to have fast internet at all times, then all you need to do is go to settings, then go to developer options, then look for a setting that reads mobile data always on, and then turn it on. And just as simple as that, you will always have fast internet since your phone will always keep mobile data on even if Wi-Fi is active in order to allow fast internet switching. And for the few of you who don't know how to activate developer options, all you have to do is go to settings, then system, then about phone, then tap on the build number 7 times and the developer option settings will appear. Well, if you're a Chrome user and browse a lot the web, then you may find that always having to tap on this button and switch tabs is annoying. But one simple trick is that you can easily switch from one tab to another by just swiping on the search bar without you having to switch tabs in the tab menu. So, if you aren't a YouTube Premium user and really want to watch YouTube videos in picture-in-picture mode, then all you have to do is download VLC and then launch the app. Then go to more in the app, then select new stream. Then just paste the link of the video you want to watch, then watch the video, then tap on this more button and then select pop-up player. Simple as that, you can play YouTube videos in PIP even without YouTube Premium. If you fear that maybe someone is monitoring or forwarding your calls and texts, then to find out, all you need to do is go to your dialer, then tap on *61#, then call. And after some time, you'll see who is diverting your calls, SMS, fax, and so on. If you want to change any video to MP3 fast without any app, then all you have to do is go to your file manager, then select the video you want to convert, and then change the extension by changing the name of the video from MP4 to MP3. And just as simple as that, you can turn a video to MP3. And if you want to convert it back to video format, all you have to do is just change the extension from MP3 to MP4. If you take a lot of screenshots, you know the frustration of having to hold the volume down key and power button to take a screenshot. But with the app Screenshot Assistant, you can just simply take screenshots by tapping and holding on your home button. All you have to do is just give the app the permission it needs, and the app will help you take screenshots with ease. If you want your web pages to be read out loud with your Google Assistant, then all you have to do is just say, "Okay Google," then say, "Read this web page out loud," and your assistant will automatically read that web page out loud for you. If someone sends you something on WhatsApp and then deletes it and you really want to know what was sent, well, you can see it using the app WAMR. All you have to do is install the app, then just grant it all the permission it needs and see the magic. But keep in mind these few things. The app can't detect messages deleted before the app was installed. 2. It can't recover messages if you're offline or messages deleted during a conversation. And 3. It can't detect deleted messages if notification access is not granted. So that's all. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe to stay updated. I'll see you in the next one.